While industrial operations around the world are working towards achieving optimal performance, a dark force is working against them. It is destroying equipment reliability, shattering maintenance budgets, and threatening to bring down operations. This evil element is Varnish, and intelligence indicates that it's likely invading your equipment now. Your mission: eradicate Varnish from your system and keep it from coming back.
Varnish attacks many types of industrial equipment, and once it forms, it gets worse, causing more failures and costing more money. Many operators think these problems are beyond their control, but our experts have developed an approach to help them fight back. It's a holistic solution to clean existing varnish from their system and to control formation of new varnish.
First step: clean. The months preceding your next scheduled oil change is the best time to plan your attack using an industrial system cleaner. Our experts can help you determine the volume and residence time needed for the industrial system cleaner. Replace main filters, then add the system cleaner to the used in-service oil.
We have developed VARTECH Industrial System Cleaner for this step. It cuts through varnish and captures it as microparticles that can be removed without redepositing in other areas of the system. And it has demonstrated compatibility with the in-service oil. These are big advantages. Your system remains online and well lubricated while VARTECH ISC is working. Varnish removal is gradual instead of releasing in big pieces, so you can avoid filter plugging and excessive filter changes. It will not lower the lubricant flashpoint and cause a safety risk. And it has sufficient residence time to thoroughly clean the system. Plus, if you encounter a delay, it can temporarily remain in your system without damaging components, giving you more operational flexibility.
When the determined residence time is reached, drain the used oil and cleaner mixture. It is best practice to manually clean settled deposits from the reservoir and rinse the system. But unlike other cleaners, if residual VARTECH ISC remains in the system, it has minimal impact on the performance of the new oil. Your system is now prepared for the second step: control.